Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to add custom fonts on a Shopify store. In this video, we will demonstrate all the steps needed to add custom fonts to your Shopify store. We will also show you how to edit the code of your store. And finally, we will reveal the top 3 websites from where you can download your fonts for your Shopify store for free. So watch this video till the end to better understand all these things. Now let's get started. Before talking about where you can download free fonts for your Shopify store, we will first take you to Shopify. After visiting Shopify's website, click on the login button on the top right corner. This is Shopify's login page. From here you can continue with your Apple, Facebook or Google account, or else enter your email address here and then click on the Continue with Email button. On the next page, enter your password here and then click on the Login button. After successfully logging into your Shopify store, you will be taken to the dashboard. Now click on the Online Store tab in the left sidebar and select the Themes tab. Before proceeding further, let's first have a look at our Shopify store. Click on the View Your Store button on the top right corner and your store will open in a new window. So this is your Shopify stores page. We're going to change the fonts for all the texts here, whether it is a headline or a description. So let's move on. To install a custom font on your Shopify store, you need to follow 5 steps. Don't worry, they are all really simple. We are going to demonstrate all of them for you now. So let's start. Before altering the existing fonts of your store, there is something you need to do which is essential to maintain your store's appearance. And that is to back up the theme of your store. So the first step is to make a duplicate of your Shopify store's theme. We are recommending this because you will need to edit the code of your store's theme to alter the fonts. So there might be a chance that something goes wrong somewhere. So in that case, you just need to restore the theme back without losing any data. So to make a backup of your store's theme, click on the 3 dots just before the Customize button and then click on the Duplicate button. Shopify will start duplicating your theme. It might take a couple of seconds, and after successfully duplicating the theme, you will see it here. In case something goes wrong while editing the code, you can use this Publish button to restore this theme. Now let's move on to the second step, which is to download your desired font file to install on your Shopify store. If you have already downloaded your font file, then you can skip this step. So to get your desired font, there are many websites from where you can download your desired font for free. But we will recommend you the top 3 websites from where you can download the font for free along with the personal as well as commercial license. The first one is 1001freefonts.com. On this website, you can use this search bar on the top to find your desired font. And from here, you can arrange the fonts alphabetically and you can also filter fonts by using these categories. The second one is dafont.com. On this website, use this search bar to find your desired font. And from here, you can arrange the fonts alphabetically and you can also filter the fonts by using these categories. The third and the last one is freefonts.io. On this website, you can use this search bar to find your desired font and you can also filter the fonts here by using these categories. Go through all these 3 websites to find a suitable font for your Shopify store. We recommend you to not select any fancy or weird font. Try to find a font which is simple yet attractive and looks professional at the same time. So after selecting your font, you just download it and then extract the downloaded file and check for the file extension. The font file must include at least the WOFF or WOFF2 file types. TTF or OTF are not web font file types. If your downloaded font is TTF or OTF, you can't install it directly on your Shopify store. So you will need to convert it first. So the third step is to convert the file type of your downloaded font. Visit convertio.co website and browse and upload your downloaded font, or just drag and drop it here. After uploading it, make sure that the convert to file type is selected as WOFF, and then click on the convert button. And your font file will start getting converted. It might take a couple of seconds, and after successful conversion, you just need to click on the download button and voila, you've got your font. There are also many other websites that you can use to convert the downloaded font file, like cloudconvert.com, onlineconvertfree.com, anycon.com, and others. Use anyone, just make sure that the file has been converted successfully without any errors. Now that your font file has been downloaded and converted, you need to come back to your Shopify account. And under the Themes tab, click on the three dots again and select Edit Code. This is the code editor page. Here comes the fourth step, which is to upload and install your font. Let's do it. In the left sidebar, expand the Assets section and then click on the Add a New Asset button. Now in this pop-up window under the Upload a File tab, click here to upload the font file. And after selecting the file, it will be shown here. And then click on the Done button. It will start installing, and after successful installation, here you will see the uploaded font. The fifth and the last step is to paste the code. In the description of this video, we have added a code. Copy it from there. Now come back to this code editor page and search for theme. And click on the file named theme.liquid or another variation of this depending on your theme. In the code preview panel, scroll down the page and paste the copied code from this video's description box. Now you have to make a minor change in this code. You just need to add your font file name. So copy the font file name and in the second line of the copied code, replace this text name of font with the copied font name. In the next line also replace the text name of font file with your copied font name, and also do it the same way for the next line. After replacing everywhere where the name is mentioned, click on the Save button on the top right side and it will get saved. And thus your Shopify store's font will get changed. With this, we have completed our tutorial on how to add custom fonts on Shopify store. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you've benefited from it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.